Planning a trip to Taiwan? The Taiwan Tourism eVisa makes your travel plans simple and stress-free. The Taiwan Tourism eVisa is an electronic travel permit that allows eligible travelers to visit Taiwan for tourism purposes. With this eVisa, travelers can enter Taiwan for a short stay and explore the country for leisure activities. The Tourism eVisa allows travelers to enjoy sightseeing, cultural experiences, local attractions, and time with friends or relatives while visiting Taiwan. This visa is strictly for tourism. It does not allow work, business activities, or study during your stay. Applying is easy. Travelers complete the online application, submit the required documents, and pay the visa fee electronically. Once approved, the e-visa is issued electronically and should be presented during travel. Apply for the Taiwan Tourism e-visa and get ready to explore Taiwan with confidence.